Keto is a very low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet that offers several health benefits, from weight loss to mental clarity and lower levels of inflammation. But this ultra-high level of fat may not be necessary for you to maintain the fat-burning state of ketosis. When this happens, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. It also turns fat into ketones in the liver, which can supply energy for the brain. Ketogenic diets can cause significant reductions in blood sugar and insulin levels. This, along with the increased ketones, has some health benefits. For the keto success tips below on how to start a keto diet first. 1. Start simple. Keep it simple, especially when you are starting out. The best way to start keto for beginners is to use a simple framework for meals. Pick a protein: chicken, beef, pork, turkey, fish, seafood, protein powder, eggs, etc. Pick a low-carb veggie: cauliflower, broccoli, zucchini, Brussels sprouts, cucumbers, bell peppers. Add fat: butter, oil, lard, ghee, cheese, bacon, avocado, mayonnaise, nuts, etc. 2. Remove temptations. One of the easiest keto diet tips to implement is to get rid of foods you need to avoid. Get rid of the following in your fridge and pantry. Grains including wheat, bread, pasta, rice, oats, cereal, corn, etc. Sugar including table sugar, candy, pastries, cakes, ice cream, chocolate, soda, juice, honey, maple syrup, etc. Starchy vegetables including potatoes, sweet potatoes, parsnips, etc. Legumes including beans, lentils, chickpeas, etc. Peanuts are an exception in moderation. High sugar fruits including bananas, pineapple, oranges, apples, grapes, etc. Low-fat dairy and milk including all cow's milk except heavy cream is fine, low-fat cheese, etc. Seed and vegetable oils especially margarine, canola oil, corn oil, grapeseed oil and soybean oil. Processed, low-carb foods depending on ingredients, so read labels for hidden sugar, starch, and artificial ingredients. 3. Stock your fridge. Along with getting rid of all the good stuff, fill your fridge with plenty of good stuff. Healthy fats like avocado oil, butter and coconut oil. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach and kale. Low-carb vegetables that grow above ground, like zucchini, cauliflower and asparagus. Meat like beef and pork. Poultry like chicken and turkey. Seafood like fish and shellfish. Full-fat dairy like cheese and heavy cream. Eggs. Low-carb fruit like avocados, raspberries and coconuts. 4. Stock your pantry. Don't forget to stock your pantry with keto staples, too. Pantry ingredients are most prone to be high in carbs, but here are the types of items. Herbs and spices like basil, dill and cinnamon. Low-carb condiments like mayo, hot sauce and mustard. Nuts and seeds like almonds, macadamia nuts and sunflower seeds. Sugar-free sweeteners like erythritol, monk fruit and allulose. Low-carb flours like almond flour, coconut flour and flaxseed meal. Sugar-free beverages like water, coffee and tea. 5. Ease into it. If you're starting a keto diet coming from eating a lot of carbs and sugar, cutting it all out cold turkey may be a shock. It can cause keto flu symptoms and cravings, and while these can be manageable, it doesn't mean that's the only way. Carbs are a limit, protein is a goal, and fat is a lever. The most important key to getting into ketosis is restricting carbohydrates, but there is more to it. Here is how to understand macros for the keto diet. Carbs are a limit. This means you set the maximum that you can consume per day, typically up to 20 to 30 grams per day for most people. If you go under this number, that's okay. Protein is a goal. This means you want to reach this number each day, so try not to go below the goal. Going over a little bit is also okay, but a large excess in protein might convert to glucose and kick you out of ketosis. How easily this happens varies from person to person. Fat is a lever. After your carb limit and protein goal, the remaining calories you need for the day come from fat. This is what keeps you satisfied and provides the majority of your energy source. 6. Portions do matter. Even though calories and portions are not the primary focus of a ketogenic lifestyle, they still matter. It's still possible not to lose weight, or even gain weight, on keto if you consume too much. This would be the case with any diet. The key to remember is that fat is a lever. 7. Stay hydrated. Drinking water is great for anyone, but especially if you are in ketosis. Eating carbs causes us to store more water in our bodies, while a keto diet flushes out more water, so it's even more crucial to drink enough. Aim for 16 cups per day. 9. Plan your meals. One of the best keto tips and tricks I always tell people is that meal planning is a game changer. Grabbing a bag of chips, a candy bar, or a box of pasta may be easy on a high-carb diet, but sticking to a low-carb lifestyle requires more planning. And that's okay. It's totally doable and does not have to take hours out of your day. You can make your own plan, whether that's planning for the week ahead. If you use a tracking app, some people find it helpful to enter what you'll eat ahead of time so to help you plan better. Talk to your doctor if you start experiencing unusual anxiety, headaches, nausea, or other symptoms after you start intermittent fasting. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the channel.